Good day, viewers at home. You're welcome to my channel. This is Headway Stitches. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to achieve buttonhole without using buttonhole machine. I mean, by making use of your black head sewing machine or normal industrial sewing machine. So a black head sewing machine was used to achieve this. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to achieve this flawlessly without stressing yourself. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe at the end of the class, and then don't forget to put on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will always get notified. And if you are returning, please don't forget to like and share. And don't forget to share your thoughts at the end of this tutorial. Thank you and stay blessed. So here is how you are going to thread your machine. So this one will be for the down parts, and then you have to have a double of this, two different two of this. So you are going to thread this. So you are going to thread this. Just the normal way you thread. That is, you are going to double this thread. And then I have already put gum. I will be using this particular one for my project. So then you have to mark out the size you want to use. For instance, now if you are using 0.5, you have to mark it out the size of your buttonholes. So assuming I want to use this, so this is the size I want to use. So you have to start there. So you let your stitch regulator, let it be a bit tiny. So I'll be using like 8 here. So let it be a bit tiny. So you close it up here. Then again, you go once again. Then you come. So don't forget, you let the stitch, let it be very tiny. So you come again. So you can go 3 times. 3 times is okay, or 2 times. And you lock it. And then you are done. So you cut it out. And here is the result. You see how neat and beautiful it is. You can see how neat and beautiful it is. So if you get this value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and share so that other can benefit too. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you so much and stay blessed.